Okay, for this integral, we need to find the antiderivative first, because we are using the fundamental theorem, which says the integral from a to b of some function called small f is exactly the same thing as the antiderivative of small f evaluated between a and b. So we'll use that information, come over here, we need the antiderivative. So we use Susie's circle, anti-clockwise. The antiderivative of sine would be negative cosine, so this will equal negative cosine of x bar 0 to pi over 4. Because we are calling sine of x small f, and therefore the antiderivative of sine of x, the antiderivative of sine of x is negative cosine x here. So now we plug in. Negative cosine really means negative 1 multiplied by. So I'm going to factor out the negative 1. Now I need to remember unit circle, it's right here. So pi over 4, I know that the cosine and sine of any angle involving pi over 4 is always equal to root 2 divided by 2. Just memorize that. Okay, 1/4 of pi is right here. So to get there from the center, I would have to go across to the right. Cosine looks like a cross, so a cross to the right makes this positive root 2 over 2. So now I have this is going to equal negative 1 multiplied by root 2 over 2. Angle 0 is right here. From the center to there is exactly 1 to the right, so positive 1. They distributed to get the answer, so the negative 1 distributes. Distribute here, you're going to get positive 1, hence the correct answer is D.